Well, 12 months down the line, many things have changed. Ghana now has 86,737 confirmed cases, with 4,782 active cases and 656 deaths per the Ghana Health Service website. Let's bring you some impact stories. Well, as you know, the virus affected everything, crushing economies and crippling the global health sector. Ghana's transport sector was severely hit, with operators in the sector gradually losing their investments. Obantapa Asabwaji visited a transport yard here in Accra.
As the world comes to terms with the coronavirus and its effects on socio-economic activities, businesses continue to find novel ways to stay afloat in order not to shut down. The VIP transport service is one of the many businesses whose wheels came to a screeching halt as a result of the many COVID-19 restrictions. During the lockdown, many of these buses were parked in the terminal for days. General Manager Adakabre Frimpong Manso says the imposition of restrictions caused them to find innovative ways of operating.
First, we made sure that everybody who came to our premises had to wear their nose mask, had to be given the opportunity to wash their hands and then sanitize their hands. And then we also said that without the nose mask, you wouldn't enter the buses. And then VIP also went a step further to import COVID-compliant buses where they would self-disinfect the passengers automatically, and the passenger would have had the opportunity of use of sanitizer whilst on board. VIP also sought the assistance of the Ghana Police, and we were giving some men here who would use the administrative powers given the police to more or less caution people against the misuse or failure to use the nose mask. So that has helped us tremendously to ensure that people at least know that when you get to VIP terminal, you will not get to use any of our facilities without wearing the nose mask.
In spite of the hike in fuel prices and high costs of running and maintaining fleets, the transport operators are forced to maintain the standard price. These days, people do not want to travel a lot using public transport. This has affected revenues.
We had ended up December 2019 with higher numbers, averaging 10,000 passengers in and out of Accra every 24 hours, and had started the first quarter of 2020 strongly. And as we look to consolidate the figures, then we were hit with COVID. That led to about 70% of the numbers going down. There's a steady growth of the numbers, but you can see sluggishness to the extent that there are other factors which are also kicking in, and that is making the business suffer somehow. From the beginning of the year to approaching the end of the first quarter, on average, diesel more than 5 cedis per gallon now, yet we continue to charge the same fare, and drivers also have to make do with other consumables. So it takes a toll on the operations. So that has become a challenge for management and directors of the company.
As part of efforts to minimize the spread of the virus, management has liaised with the Ghana Health Service to vaccinate the employees at the terminal.
Nti Awurade adom na Ghana ban so adwene Ghana man ho akopɛ duro bi ɛbɛbɔ yɛ ho ban nti ne twa sɛ mepɛ nya me bambo sɛ be ya enkofa haw mama brabo nti me bi ho sɛ ɛyɛ.
The terminal is as usual choking with commuters. Many of them are confident that the management of the VIP terminal is ensuring the safety of all stakeholders and strictly enforcing the COVID-19 protocols.
When I entered the station, I saw a lot of people, almost 95 people wearing the masks. And I think if a person is wearing a mask and I'm wearing a mask too, it helps to prevent. That means that's if we cannot abide by the social distance, and you are wearing a mask and I'm wearing a mask, it helps rather than not wearing anything at all. And I can see almost 95% wearing the mask. So I think.
Obatampa Asa Abuaji's report for Joy News.